In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a sales report in Zoho Books. We'll go through the full process from signing in to saving the final file to your device, and it's actually very straightforward once you know where everything is. If you need a copy of your sales data for review, sharing, or record keeping, this is a quick way to get it done. To begin, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're using the correct organization or company profile if you manage more than one, since reports are tied to the data in that specific account. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you're ready for the next step. From the left-hand menu, click on Reports. This will open the reporting section where Zoho Books groups different financial and business reports in one place. You'll find a variety of options here, so take a moment to locate the sales-related report that fits what you need. Next, open the sales report you want to download. Depending on your goal, this could be a summary report or a more detailed sales report. The important thing is to choose the report that matches the information you want to export. After opening the report, set the report filters. This is where you can choose your date range and apply any other required filters. For example, you may want to narrow the report down to a specific month, quarter, or year. Setting filters carefully helps make sure the file you download contains exactly the data you need and avoids extra cleanup later. Once your filters are in place, click Run Report. This refreshes the report and displays the updated results based on the options you selected. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review the data on screen so you can confirm that everything looks correct. When the report is ready, click the Export button in the top right corner. This opens the download options for the report. Now, choose your preferred file format. Zoho Books typically gives you options like PDF, XLS, or CSV. PDF is useful if you want a clean, easy-to-share version for viewing or printing. XLS is a good choice if you plan to work with the report in spreadsheet software, and CSV is helpful for importing data into other systems. Finally, click Export or Download to save the sales report to your device. Once the file finishes downloading, you can open it, store it, or share it as needed. Thanks for watching.